how to add or remove the QR code scanner widget to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the control center, tap on the add button. Now once you are in edit mode, to remove the code scanner, just tap on the remove button right here at the top left corner, and that will immediately remove the code scanner widget from the control center. Now to add a code scanner control, go down and then tap on add a control button, tap on that. Then we swipe up to go down. In the capture section, tap on scan code, and that will get added to the control center. And that's it. Now you can swipe up to save the changes, then swipe up again to close the control center. When you need to use the code scanner, just pull down your control center by swiping down at the top, then tap on the code scanner. Now you can point the camera at a QR code, for instance. So it needs to be a bit further away. So if you can't scan this QR code, you can just move it out like that until the camera can get a clear focus on the QR code, and that's it. So that is how you can add or remove the QR code scanner to your control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.